Mr. Romeva i Rueda. 1 minute and a half.
Indeed, on the 15th December 2012, Sombath Somphone became victim of an enforced disappearance, according to automatic camera footage, just after being stopped by police officers in Tedewa checkpoint in the Sisatenak district of Vientiane. Sombath Somphone is widely appreciated and well known for his extensive work in the fields of sustainable and fair development and access to land. As part of the Lao National Organizing Committee, was one of the partners in the organising in Vientiane of the 9th Asia-Europe People's Forum. During this forum, farmers invited by him brought to the attention of participants the situation of Lao farmers being deprived of their land for the building of mega projects, some of them co-financed by international finance institutions, being European, some of them. Many of us are deeply concerned about the whereabouts and safety of Sombath Somphone. The length and the lack of transparency of the investigation is also a major problem. Thus, we urge Lao authorities to inform Sombath Somphone's family about the progress of the investigations and call on the governments to ensure that all steps are being taken to locate, rescue and return him safely to his family as soon as possible. And I appeal to the government of Laos and the other Asian member states to underline publicly the legality and the legitimacy of the work for sustainable development and social justice in order to counter intimidation efforts and forced disappearances of activists. And by the way, finally, Laos must ratify the International Convention for the Protection of All Persons from Enforced Disappearance. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the next speaker is Mr. Mitro Repo, 2 minutes.
Arvoisa puhemies, parlamentti esittää syystäkin syvän huolensa laosilaisen Sombath Somphonen tahdonvastaisesta katoamisesta. Olemassa olevien tietojen valossa